National Commission on Culture and Arts. 40% goes to the Commission on Higher Education, or CHED, para sa kanilang mga tourism-related educational programs and courses. While the other half funds CHES's infrastructure projects and supports all administrative expenses for the administration, distribution, and disbursement of these funds. Your travel tax supports the tourism development and heritage preservation that enhance the travel experience and protect the country's cultural assets. Sa bawat destinasyon, papangalagaan ng mga pamanang yaman at itataguyod ang yamang tao para mapaigting pa ang turismong Pilipino. CHES's hard work had been recognized, but beyond striving for excellence, ang tunay naming layunin ay ang maglingkod. Kaya lagi niyo pong tatandaan, ang CHESA ay kasanggan niyo sa turismo.